Hello, this is Marc Alvarado. I'm going to do my speech on how to clean a redfish. There's three parts that we're going to deal with. It's the actual fish, the cleaning, and how to keep it in cold water to make sure your meat's good. So first thing we're going to start off with is their fin. You want to take your fin and you want to pull it back. All this section right here is meat. A lot of people cut from here to here. They leave all this meat out. So you want to make sure you go at an angle right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold the fin back. We're going to start. Once you'll feel a section that's the backbone. Once you get to that section, you stop. You rotate the blade. You hold right here behind the fin. And you follow the backbone. Once you get right to the end, you stop. You flip it over. That's all meat. Take your knife. You let the knife do all the work. You just follow the fish. As you can see, it's nothing but skin. Here's your fish. Here's the meat. This is the section we want to get out. As you can see in the back, that's a lot of meat back there. So instead of cutting straight across, you want to go down at an angle, more like this. And I'm going to demonstrate that right here. We're going to cut down and over. What I did just now was once you cut it, you always want to feel the fish. I felt a little bone in there, so I went in just a little bit more to make sure I got all the bones out. You take it over, you do the same thing on the other side. Cut down until you feel the backbone, you reverse it, you hold where the fin was, you follow the backbone, catch it, flip it. There's your fish. Go at an angle. No bones. You throw it in the ice. The ice part. Before you get started, you need to make sure that you have a bucket. Depends on how many fish you have. Fill it up with ice. Have cold water. As soon as you get through cleaning them, you throw them in the water. One thing you do before you clean fish is as you catch them, when you get them back, you want to make sure that you throw them in an ice chest. Have full of ice. They need to be cold. Redfish, speckled trout, the colder they are, the better, the easier they are to clean. If you have fish that are kind of warm, the meat gets real soft and it's hard to cut through. If you have cold fish, the knife glides right through the meat. The meat gets real hard and you just slide right through it, so it's an easier cut. So when you get through cleaning a redfish, I know it looks disgusting, but this is what you eat on trays when you go in restaurants, fish. What we have here is we have scaled redfish, which is what you eat in restaurants. A lot of times you ask for redfish on a plank. This is all it is. They put it on a piece of wood plank. They poke holes in it. They put whatever type of sauces. I use melted butter, Worcestershire, little Tony's on top. You stick it right on the grill. It boils up. And then you have your regular filet redfish, where you can cut it in little chunks. You can fry it. You can put it on a pan. You can broil it. You can steam it. You can use it whatever you want to. So that is my demonstration of how to clean a redfish. Again, my name is Marc Alvarado. It's been a pleasure being in the class, and I look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.